In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate captions for your Instagram post, story, and reels. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, what you need to do, you need to post a story on Instagram. After that, go to Google and search here Instagram caption generator. Here you can see, go to Google and search Instagram caption generator. After that, here click on second website. Here you can see, click on this website, open this website. Here you need to select an image. Here you need to select an image for caption, for example this select. After that, here you need to type a description for this picture. After adding a description, click on this generate caption button. Here you can see, you need to wait here few seconds. After that, here click on verify. Here you can see our caption is generated. Here you need to copy this all caption by clicking on copy button. Here you can see the bottom right. Here you can see copy button. Here copy and go back to the story and paste here your all caption. In this way you can create high quality captions for your Instagram post and reels. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.